rain drips on shattered glass. Reflections run as shadows pass. Raindrops hum a secret tune, a slick Backstreet beneath the moon. Backstreet rain, it knows my name, washing sins but leaves the stain. Every step's a quiet cry in the glow where dreams can't die. Soft mist whispers stories and hope. Blue lit puddles keep secrets cold. A cigarette burns low and slow. Its smoky swirls the only glow. Backstreet rain, it knows my name, washing sins but leaves the stain. City sighs and breathes again underneath this backstreet rain. The walls, they sweat with urban pain. Every droplet sings the refrain. Footsteps lost on soaked cement.